Hello everyone, welcome to my Get Ready With Me tutorial. Today I'll be walking you through a simple makeup look and showing you how I style my hair with a puff. So let's jump right in. So first of all, I start by applying some concealer under my eyes and on the bridge of my nose to brighten those areas. After that, I blend it all out with a damp beauty blender, making sure it melts seamlessly into my skin. Next, I go in with my She Glam Hydrating Foundation, applying it evenly across the rest of my face. I take my time blending it with a beauty blender to ensure a flawless finish. To set everything in place, I grab my powder brush and lightly dust some powder all over my face. This step really keeps the makeup in place and prevents any unwanted shine throughout the day. Now onto the brows. I fill them in using my dark brown eyebrow pencil, following my natural eyebrow shape. Once I'm happy with the look, I clean up the edges with a bit of concealer and then I blend it out for that polished finish. Then for my eyes, I keep it simple. I take a shade from my eyebrow shadow palette and I use my finger to apply it directly to my eyelid. I really love how quick and easy this is. Then I go in with my I Love Extreme Essence mascara, coating my lashes from root to tip for that extra definition. Moving on to the lips, first I line them with my Essence lip liner to define the shape. I then apply my Revolution Pout Bomb lip gloss and then I blend it in nicely. The glossy finish adds a beautiful touch to the whole look. Now for my hair, I already have my African threading style in place. That is my go-to protective hairstyle. So I simply add an afro puff at the back to give it a bold, voluminous look. And to finish off, I add a few accessories for a stylish flair. And I slay my edges. And that's it for today. That is my simple makeup routine and my hair totally done and I'm ready for the day. I hope you enjoyed getting ready with me. Don't forget to like, to comment, and to subscribe if you haven't for more content like this. Bye.